Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom and becoming a millionaire? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 critical steps you need to take to achieve financial success. First, we'll show you how to develop the right mindset and attitude towards money. Then, we'll discuss the importance of setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Next, we'll explain how to invest wisely and manage your money effectively, so you can make your money work for you. We'll also cover how to reduce your debt and increase your income, so you can accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or you've been working towards your financial goals for a while, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical strategies to help you achieve your dreams. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take notes on the 5 critical steps to achieving financial success. Step 1. Develop the right mindset and attitude towards money. Achieving financial success starts with developing the right mindset and attitude towards money. This means understanding the value of money, developing healthy money habits, and cultivating a positive relationship with money. Some tips for developing the right mindset include understanding the true value of money and how it can impact your life, learning to differentiate between wants and needs, developing healthy spending habits, such as budgeting and saving, practicing gratitude and focusing on what you have instead of what you don't have. Step 2. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Once you've developed the right mindset, it's time to set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. This means taking the time to identify your financial priorities and developing a roadmap to help you achieve them. Some tips for setting clear financial goals include identifying your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, creating a budget and tracking your spending to help you stay on track, finding a financial advisor or mentor who can help you develop a plan and hold you accountable. Step 3. Invest wisely and manage your money effectively. To achieve financial success, you need to learn how to invest wisely and manage your money effectively. This means understanding the different investment options available to you and developing a sound investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Some tips for investing wisely and managing your money effectively include researching different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, diversifying your investment portfolio to minimize risk, staying informed about the latest financial news and trends, using tools like budgeting apps and financial management software to help you manage your money effectively. Step 4. Reduce your debt and increase your income. To achieve financial success, you need to reduce your debt and increase your income. This means taking steps to pay off your debt as quickly as possible and finding ways to increase your earning potential. Some tips for reducing your debt and increasing your income include developing a debt repayment plan and sticking to it, cutting back on unnecessary expenses to free up more money for debt repayment and savings, finding ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or asking for a raise at work, negotiating with creditors to reduce interest rates and fees on your debt. Step 5. Stay committed and make adjustments as needed. Finally, achieving financial success requires commitment and persistence. You need to stay focused on your goals, make adjustments as needed, and stay motivated even when things get tough. Some tips for staying committed and making adjustments include tracking your progress regularly and adjusting your plan as needed, finding a support system to help you stay motivated and accountable, celebrating your successes along the way to keep yourself motivated, staying positive and focused on your long-term goals, even when setbacks occur. By following these 5 critical steps, you can set yourself up for financial success and achieve the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.